Pass it around. Pass it around. 2 on the ball. There we go. Coming up, Blue. Pass it around. You got one more than them. And again. Pass it again. Let's see. You got 2 guys on the left that are open over there. See that?
Doesn't one of them have to cut through?
Doesn't have to. No, I mean, you should be passing it around and making them move.
Right.
Here we go. Now, pass it. Pass it. Pass it. Pass it again. See, we can't catch. When you can't catch, it's hard to pass.
Some of the passes are tough. Oh, look at that.
Okay, clear, clear, clear. Step out. Walk it up, walk it up, walk it up. Get away, get away. Shoot. Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue. Come on, Gio. Left, left, left. Look left. Dang it. Pass left. Pass.
Gotta catch him. We're a man up, aren't we?
Yeah.